Hi guys, I'm going to show you my slimes that I have, and they're really pretty. One is called green slime, and then the other one is mermaid slime, and my best friend called it that. And I know you can't see me, but I'm just going to show you my slime. So this is the green slime that I made at her house. It's not that stretchy anymore. Yep. So, and then this is the mermaid slime. Actually, I made this at my grandma's house. Oh, sticky. Okay, so, yep, hold on. Okay, so I got most of it off, so I'm just gonna get it off later. So, yep, this is my mermaid slime, and then this is my other slime. This one is sticky, but still, it's okay. So, yep.